Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a donut ring to make a hair bun. So today I'm using a big donut. The kind of donut ring you want to use is totally up to you. So let me take you through the things that we need today. A donut ring, of course, a tail comb, a tight band. It may be thick or thin, but thin is better. And make sure that it is capable of making a tight ponytail. And a few U-pins and bobby pins. So starting off, I'm gathering all the hair in the front and I'm going to give a little bit of volume at the front here because otherwise it's going to look very flat, and that is something that I don't want. If you want a very sleek look, you can skip this step and comb all the hair back into a ponytail. Now I want volume and I have pinned it in such a way that it looks like there is volume in the front of my head. I am not going to back comb or anything. I am just going to push all the hair a little bit up before securing it with bobby pins. And then I am taking all the hair and tying it into a tight ponytail. This ponytail is also going to be high because I want the bun high up on the head. So I'm just going to tie it very close to the pins that I have just put, which I had put to create volume on the front side. And make sure that the ponytail is tight. Once you have a high and tight pony, slide the donut ring through the pony and take the donut to the very tip of the hair. And then just twist the donut around the hair and keep twisting the donut downwards, and also twist the hair around the donut so that the hair covers the entire donut and no portion of donut is visible through the hair. So at the beginning it might look a little messy and not so neat, but trust me, by the time you are through with it and reach till the head, the bun will look very neat and beautiful, just like the way it should. So just keep twisting the donut while twisting the hair around it, and then once you reach the end where you've put the ponytail band, just secure the bun with the help of bobby pins and U-pins, and then your donut bun will be ready. Just make sure to use enough pins to secure the bun really well. Also, if you use a thin band for your ponytail, the advantage is that there won't be a lot of gap between the bun and the head, and it will be that much easier for you to secure the bun with less number of pins. So the gap was a little more for me because I used a thick band, and so I had to make sure that the gap is closed while I secure the bun. So there you have it guys, the donut bun is ready. Even though it looked messy at the beginning, you can see how beautiful the end result is. So I hope you really found this video useful. Do give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cruelty-free videos. I hope you're having a great day already. Here's wishing a great week ahead for all of you, and I will see you again very soon with another cruelty-free video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.